A particle of mass 3 kilograms is acted upon by 3 forces. F1 we can see is 4.8 newtons, F2 minus 1 5 newtons, and F3 is 6 minus 1 newtons. We want to find the acceleration produced. We need to use the formula F equals ma, and we must remember that in F equals ma, F is the resultant force acting on the particle. To find the resultant force acting on the particle, we need to add all of the forces acting on the particle. So F will be equal to F1 plus F2 plus F3. So that will be 4.8 added to minus 1 5 added to 6 minus 1. This gives us 10 take away 1, which is 9, and 13 take away 1, which is 12. So the resultant force acting on the particle is 9I plus 12J newtons. We can now use F equals ma. The force we know is 912. The mass is 3, and we'll call A AB so that we can easily work out its components. Dividing both sides by 3 gives us that AB is equal to 3 4, and so we have the acceleration is 3 4 meters per second squared. Note that acceleration is a vector, but normally we work with a particle just moving along in a straight line, and therefore our acceleration is either positive if it's acting in one direction or negative if acting in the other, and we don't normally need to write it in components.